Good morning students. Now we will do question number this 4 3 bracket x minus 2 whole upon 5 and less than equal to 5 bracket 2 minus x bracket upon the 3. Here we have to solve for the real x, means we will get the answer in the real format. So first of all, you check this 5 and 3. The 5 and 3 LCM is 15. So here LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So we can write here that multiply both sides by 15. So look here, this type we will multiply by 15. 3 bracket x minus 2 upon 5 we multiply by 15 less than equal to 5. 2 minus x upon 3 multiply by 15. Now this 15 we can cancel by 3. 3 5 is 15. Here also this 15 we cancel by 5. So 5 3 is 15. Now 3 3 is 9 we get, and here 5 5 is 25 we get. So we get this step 9x minus 2 is less than equal to 25 bracket 2 minus x is equal to 9x minus 18 less than equal to 50 minus 25x. Now I not want here this minus 8. Add 18 on both sides. So if we add 18 on both sides, look here, we get here 9x. This 18 will cancel from here, and 50 minus 25x plus 18 we get. Now 18 we add here, means this 18 will cancel from here, and 18 we will add here. So you get 9x is less than equal to 50 minus 25x plus 18. Now 9x is less than equal to 50, and this we get 68 minus 25x. Now I not want here 25x here, I want this 25 in the left hand side. So we can write here add 25x on both side. So look here, if we add 25 both side, we will get here 9x plus 25x is less than equal to 68, and 25 you add, this 25 will cancel. This we will add, we will get 34x is less than equal to 68. Now this 34 we have to transfer this side, means we write here divide both side by 34. So look here, when you divide by 34, this 34 will cancel, we get here x only, and 34 you will divide this 34, and this 2 ja is this, means you get x is less than 2, less than equal to. We have to write the answer in real number format. So the x is belongs to this minus infinity to 2 we have to write. So this type we can write the answer. Look at this question we have to do. X upon 4 is less than 5x minus 2 upon 3 and minus 7x minus 3 upon 5. Here in denominator we have 4, 3 and 5. So we have to write the LCM of 4, 3 and 5. That will be equal to 5 4 is 20 and 60. 60 is the LCM of these all. So we can write here, we have to multiply by 60. Okay, all these numbers we multiply by 60. We get here x by 4 into 60 less than 5x minus 2 upon 3 into 60. Now minus 7x minus 3 and whole bracket upon 5 into 60. These all we multiply by 60. Now we will cancel. This we cancel, we get here 4 4 5 is 20, and 3 3 2 is 6, this 5 and 5 is 12. So this type we can cancel these, we get here 15x less than, we get here 20 and 5x minus 2 minus 12 and 7x minus 3. Look at these, we will open the bracket 100x minus 40 minus 1 12 7 ja 84 x minus minus plus, and 12 3 ja 36. Okay, now first of all look here, these we will add the like terms. Here we get 100x minus 84x will be 16x, and minus this 36 minus 40 and plus 36 will be minus 4. Now I not want here this 16x here, so you can write subtract 16x from both sides. Okay, So 15x minus 16x less than 16x minus 16x will cancel, so we get here minus 4, and this will be minus x less than minus 4 means multiply by minus on both side. Look here, when we multiply the sign by minus and both side, this inequality sign will be convert. This will be greater than, and here minus multiply with plus, here also it will be plus. So x greater than 4, and we have to write answer in form of real. So x is belongs to the greater than 4 means 4 to infinity we can write. So any answer from these, the interval form we will write here. So all of you understand this? Look here, all of you, we have to do this question. This is a very important question also, very important, you can mark. Look here the LCM of 3, 4 and 5. LCM of 3, 4 and 5 is, again we have a 60. Now you multiply by 60. All these you have to multiply by 60. So we get here. So this type we can multiply all these terms by 60. Now we can cancel 3 to the 6 means we get 24 means we get here 15 and 5 12. So look at these numbers we can get here 20. We get here 20 bracket 2x minus 1 greater than equal to 3x minus 2 and 15 minus 2 minus x into 12. Now you will multiply, we will get here 40x minus 20 is greater than equal to 15 3 ja 45 x minus 15 2 ja 30 minus 12 2 ja 24 minus and minus this will plus 12x. Now like terms we can add here. So look here 45x and 12x, this will be 57x, and these also we will add here, so we will get here 54. Now I not want here this 57 here, so you can write here subtract 57x on both side. So look here, we get here 40x minus 20 minus we get here 57x, this greater than equal to, this will cancel from here, minus 54. Now minus 17x minus 20 and greater than equal to minus 54. Now I not want here this minus 20, so you can write here add 20 on both side. So look here, when we add 20 from both side, we can write here this minus 17x, this 20 will be cancelled from here, greater than equal to minus 54 and plus 20 we get here. So we get here minus 17x is greater than equal to minus 34. Now look here, we have to divide both side by 17. So we get here 17 minus x is greater than equal to minus 17 to the 34. Now multiply by minus both side. So when we multiply by minus, the sign will be changed, and we get here x the greater than equal to means we get here less than equal to 2, and you write the answer means here we can write minus infinity to 2, and 2 we have to include, so we write here close interval. Look here, we have to do this question, solve the inequality and show the solution on number line. Look here question is same as previous. This x upon 2 is greater than equal to 5x minus 2 upon 3 minus 7x minus 3 upon 5. Now we have to write the LCM of 2, 3 and 5, and that is equal to 30. Now you have to multiply both sides by 30. This type we can multiply all these terms by 30. Now this we cancel, we get here 15, 3 and this we cancel, we get 10, this we cancel, we get 6. Now we will multiply, we get 15x, you open this bracket also, we get 50x minus 20, and this also you open, so 7 6 ja 42x minus plus, and 6 3 ja 18. Now here you can add the like terms, so 50x minus 42 means we get here 8x minus 20 and plus 2 we get here minus 2, Now I not want here 8x, so you can write here subtract 8x from both sides. So look here, 15x minus 8x is greater than equal to, we get here minus 2. This will cancel when we subtract from here. 15x minus 8x will be 7x, that is equal to minus 2. Now greater than equal to minus 2. Now divide both sides by 7. So we get here x greater than equal to minus 2 by 7. And we have to write answer in form of real. Now we get this answer, a close bracket minus 2 upon 7 to infinity, and this we have to represent on a number line. Look here, this type of number line we can draw here. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and here we have 0, 1, 2. Now this minus 2 by 7 is between 0 and minus 1. 0 to minus 1 we divide in 7 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 part we have, and from that we have to take 2 part. From the right hand side we take, because in minus side we have, this is minus 1 and this is minus 2 by 7. So you can and here a bracket is a close bracket, so you will mark here a dark circle. So this is a dark circle here, and this value is a minus 2 by 7 we can write. And greater than these means you can mark a arrow. Look at this type, you can mark a arrow. So this represent the line, this type you can mark here. All you understand these? Look here students, one question is, Ravi obtained 70 and 75 marks in first 2 unit test. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test to have an average of at least 60 marks. He want average 60 marks of all these 3 exam. First exam 70 marks, second exam 75 marks, and third exam what he should get. So that we have to find. Suppose Ravi secure X marks in the third test. So then average marks will be average marks of Ravi. Then first is 70 marks, second is 75 marks, and in third is X marks. And average means we have to divide by 3. And according question, the average marks should at least 60 means greater than equal to 60 we can write. So average marks is these we can write here. 70 and 75 we can add 145 plus x upon 3, that is equal to greater than equal to 60. Now multiply both sides by 3. So when we multiply by 3 we get here 145 plus x is greater than equal to 180 we will get, because this side we multiply by 3, this will cancel, and we will multiply here, we will get 180. Now we not want here 145, so you can write here subtract 145 from both sides. Look here, 145 we subtract here, this will cancel, we get x greater than equal to 180 minus 145. So here we get x is greater than equal to 35. So we can write here Ravi must secure at least 35 marks in the third test to make an average of at least 60 marks. Look at one question is, find all pairs of conjugate odd positive integers both of which are smaller than 10 such that their sum is more than 11. Look here 2 conjugative odd integers we have to suppose. So we can write here, suppose 2 consecutive odd positive integers are x and x plus 2. Odd integers means first is 3, then second will be 5. 3 plus 2 5 means every odd integers we have the difference is 2. So we can suppose these. Okay, now look here, which are smaller than 10 means the according question we can write the both are less than 10, x is less than 10 and x plus 2 also less than 10, such that their sum is more than 11. Sum of these two we have to do, sum of these two is more than 11. These three cases are given. Both are smaller than 10 means both are smaller than 10, and such that their sum is more than 11, sum is more than 11. Now look at this, x less than 10 we write as it is. Now this 2 we will subtract 2. Here we will do subtract 2 means we get x less than 10 minus 2. Here we will add 2x plus 2 greater than 11. You will write here subtract 2 from both sides. Okay, now this will be x less than 10, this will be x less than 8, and this will be 2x greater than 11 minus 2 is 9. Okay, so we get here this same as it is. We can write x less than 8 and 2x is means x greater than 9 by 2. We divide by 2. Okay, divide by 2. So this is equal to 4.5. Okay, now if we mix this all value, here is the x less than 10, this is x less than 8. So we have to follow both, means we can write here x less than 8. Okay, one is saying less than 10 and second is saying less than 8, means we have to follow the both, means we can write here x less than 8, and this is x greater than 4.5, x greater than 4.5 means look here, between these we have to write the odd integers. So look here, greater than 4.5 odd number is 5. So the odd integers are, the x may be 5 then 7. Okay, 5 then 7. Okay, then 8 9. So we can write here 5 and 7 only. All you understand? So if you take x equal to, so you can write the answer 2 positive odd integers are, look here, if you take 5 then next will be x plus 2 means we can write 7, or if you write 7 then you have to write the next is 9. Look, you can check your answer. This 5 and 7 both are less than 10 and sum of these is 12 means greater than 11. Here is both is less than 10 and the sum is again greater than 11. So they both are the answers we have.